Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going on a tour of one of New York City's most charming and exclusive neighborhoods, Gramercy Park. Before we begin our tour, if you're visiting my channel for the first time, my name's Celia. I'm a licensed real estate salesperson specializing in residential properties in the Gramercy, Chelsea, Flatiron District, Village, and Hudson Yards communities of Manhattan. In the event you're looking to rent, buy, sell, or invest in residential properties in either of these locations, and you aren't already being assisted by another agent, it would be my pleasure to help you with the process. Okay, so let's get our tour started. So over here, we have some beautiful historic landmark buildings. I really love the wrought iron railings and fences on them. This residence was the former home of mid-19th century publisher and New York City Mayor James Harper. It's another magnificent one beside his. Directly across the street, we have the National Arts Club. The National Arts Club is located at the Samuel J. Tilden House at 15 Gramercy Park South. It was founded in 1898 by art critic for the New York Times, Charles Dickey. The aim of this arts club is to promote public interest in the fine arts. It is currently closed for renovations. Next to the National Arts Club, we have a National Historic Landmark called the Players Club. It was established in 1888 by the famous Shakespearean actor Edwin Booth, who purchased this mansion. He himself had resided on the top floor. And then he turned the rest of his residence into a Players Club. So it's a private social club that's dedicated to the theatrical arts. What we're going past right now is the Gramercy Park. So this is a private park which was established in 1831. It's the only park remaining in New York City that's only accessible to people who actually live in the area.
Changes in spending frequencies and stuff like that. And it just makes sense.
So this is the entrance to the park, and you need to have a key to access it. So only the residents who live in the immediate perimeter of the park are given keys. See if you can see a little bit of the interior from here. And that's a plaque in front of the park. So a little fun trivia for you. The initial residents who were issued keys Back in the 19th century, the keys to the park were actually made out of solid gold. Today, in the event a resident loses his or her key, it's going to cost them hundreds of dollars to replace it. Directly in front of us at Gramercy Park East is the Gramercy. The Gramercy is a landmark co-op building. It's actually the first co-op building in New York City. It was built in 1883. It's 10 stories and has 47 units. Celebrities such as Jimmy Fallon have at one point in time called this magnificent building home. In order to live at the Gramercy, a minimum down payment of 50% is required. At the back entrance of the Gramercy Park, we have the famous Gramercy Park Hotel. So this is the Lexington Avenue Gramercy Park North intersection location. The Gramercy Park Hotel has 200 rooms and has hosted many celebrities and artists. Unfortunately, the company that owned it in 2022 went into foreclosure, and now this building is being managed by MCR Hotel Group. They're currently renovating the hotel, and they expect to reopen it in 2025. So MCR signed a 99-year lease, which is costing them $50 million. So let's have a closer look at this historic hotel. Straight ahead is the Gramercy Theater. This was originally a movie theater, however now it's a popular concert venue. In front of us, we have Calvary Church, located at 277 Park Avenue South. This Episcopal church was built in 1848 and designed by the renowned architect James Renwick Jr. Renwick Jr., you might recall, also designed Grace Church in the East Village and St. Patrick's Cathedral in Midtown Manhattan. Two fantastic things about this church are the beautiful Gothic Revival architecture and the stained glass windows. Our final stop, my friends, is Pete's Tavern, located at 129 East 18th Street. So Pete's Tavern has the distinction of being the oldest continuously operating bar and restaurant in New York City. This historic landmark is where O. Henry wrote his classic Christmas short story, The Gift of the Magi. We're not going inside today. However, when you visit, if you go inside, you'll see that the walls are lined with photos of celebrities who have frequented this establishment. So this concludes our tour of Gramercy Park. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. And until the next time, you take excellent care of yourself, and I look forward to you joining me again for another wonderful tour of the communities that I serve. Take care. Bye-bye.